Hello everybody, I am Asaduzzaman Biswas. Today I came to have a discussion about CSS. Today my topic is position property. Position property, right? So using position property, what we do, we just decide the position of the element. Right, this position property has 4 values. One is your static, another one is your relative, another one is your fixed, and another one is your absolute. I will discuss about these 4 values of position property one by one. So let us start our discussion and let us see what these values will do with our elements, right? So let us start. Make body. Okay, inside body I will make a div and we will give its name something and give its name container. Okay, and then this div is end. Inside this div I will make 3 divs. The first div's ID I like to give 1, okay, and the second div ID I like to give 2, okay, and the third div, okay, I like to give its ID 3, okay. These are the 3 divs. Okay, fine. Now let us start our CSS work, right? So for understanding the functionalities of position property, I will have to write few additional CSS code. That is, first I will write the CSS code for body. So body is the selector, this is the start, and this is the end. Okay. So what we will do, body, right? Let us give a border. Let us give a border 1 pixel thick. Make it solid and give it a color, that is your block. Okay, and also like to give a margin 20 pixel. Okay, so this is the style we applied on body. Now for container we like to style this container div. Okay, so starting and this is end. I will also give border here. This will be 1 pixel thick, solid, and give its color something. I should give you a red. Okay, fine. And also like to give it a margin that is also 20 pixel, and let us make padding, give its value 30 pixel. Okay, now let us see what is our output. I will save it. I will save it. Okay, something name I gave. Now save it. Okay, look, okay, I got the box, right? Now I will start my CSS coding on your tips, right? Firstly, okay, starting, this is end. I should give border here, so what can I do? I can take copy from here, then I need not to write that much. So give it a color. Okay, I will give its color black. Then I will give the background of this div is what I can give its background. Suppose I give its background black. Okay, now let us give its height and width. Height, let us give 200 pixels. Width also let us give 200 pixels, right? Now the approximately same CSS I will apply for the rest div. So I will do copy, okay, and then paste, then paste. Okay, fine. Let us give its color green, and let us give its color yellow. Okay, now let us see the look of what the output we are getting now. Great. This is, oh no, I did not change the name. 1, this is 2, and this is 3. I forgot to change the name. Okay, go to output and look. We are getting this value, right? This is actually the default look. Default. Here actually static is the default value of position. That means if I use here what position and the value of position equal to static, this is the default value. That means if we don't give you static, in that case it will also behave the same. That means as you are getting the output, the value of static is the default value of position. Now look, this is static. So if I write down top 50 pixel, that means from top I am trying to generate space 50 pixel, and from left I am trying to generate space 50 pixel, but the position is static. That's why look, there will be nothing here. Because why? Because position is static. But look, if I change its value relative, and then if you go to here, go to the output, look, just 50 pixel from its top div and 50 pixel from its left, from the left of the div. That means it is just moved left side 50 pixel and from top 50 pixel of the above div, right? That means the div which is just before the second div. That means the second div is 50 pixel from top side. From the second div moved 50 pixel from top side of the first div, and from the left side it moved 50 pixel as we wrote here, right? This is called a relative. That means it will move its position according to the position of its previous div. That means we wrote in two div that position is relative. So that's why this 2 div moved from top 50 pixel and from left 50 pixel of the from the one div. That means from the from its above div, right? So this is relative. Now if we change its value absolute, in that case if you go to here, look, now it doesn't care and bother about the previous div. That means it doesn't care and bother about the first div. It is 50 pixel from top of the window of the of the browser. That means 50 pixel from here and 50 pixels from here. That means it is located 50 pixels far from the top of the browser and 50 pixel far from the left of the browser. That is your absolute. And next, if we write here and one thing for fixed, I should write here few more content. One thing I can do, I can take the contents from here, then you can understand, because to understand the functionalities of fixed we need to have more content to understand it properly, right? So I'll do copy this text and will paste it here. Okay, then paste it here. Okay, now look. Now position is your absolute, right? So if we go to output and if I move downwards, the div is moving, right? The div is moving. But instead of absolute, if I write here fixed, look, the position will not change. That means, look, in case of absolute, this div, that means the second div, was 50 pixels from top of the browser. That means the second div was 50 pixels far from top of the browser and from the left of the browser. Now position is same as it was in case of absolute, but the difference is, in case of fixed, look, if we move downwards, this div is not changing. It is just at the same position as it was before. So that is the difference in between absolute and fixed. In case of absolute, this div will move when I scroll downwards or upwards of the page. At that time, just with page, the div will also move. But in case of fixed, the div is fixed. It will not move at all. Either I move downwards or upwards of the page. That is the difference in between fixed and absolute. So today after this, if you have any question, feel free to ask me through comments. Obviously I will reply you, and subscribe my channel. I will discuss more topics about CSS in my coming tutorials, so join with my discussion. For today, goodbye everybody.